stop. If you're thinking about buying CINEPIX AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this AI tool is claiming you can create entire Netflix-style shows like Stranger Things, Squid Game, or even Game of Thrones from just one prompt. No actors, no editing, no expensive software, no production team. And honestly, that sounds completely insane. So in this video, I'm going to show you what CINEPIX AI really is, what it can actually do, the pros, the cons, and whether this is a revolutionary opportunity or just another overhyped AI launch. Also, if you decide to grab CINEPIX AI after watching this review, make sure you use my link below this video, because I've put together some exclusive bonuses worth over $8,000 to help you actually make money with this. What is CINEPIX AI? CINEPIX AI is basically an all-in-one AI show creator that lets you generate full cinematic episodes, scenes, trailers, voiceovers, scripts, music, and editing automatically. You literally type an idea like, create a dark sci-fi survival show in the style of Squid Game, and the AI handles the script, cinematic scenes, characters, voice acting, music, editing, and even multi-episode production, all inside one dashboard. This is not just another AI video generator. This is more like having an entire AI production studio working for you 24/7. Benefits. Why people are interested. Because right now, YouTube loves storytelling content. TikTok rewards binge-worthy clips. Streaming-style content is exploding, and AI shows are getting millions of views. And traditionally, creating something cinematic required expensive gear, editors, actors, and months of production. But CINEPIX AI removes all of that. You can now create AI shows, upload daily content, build faceless channels, sell promo videos, start an AI agency, or monetize with affiliate offers and ads. And the craziest part? You don't need experience. Inside CINEPIX AI, you get Hollywood-style AI show generator, AI script generator, cinematic scene creator, image-to-video AI, human emotion AI voiceovers, AI sound and music engine multi-language support, AI trailer generator, commercial license included, and one-click monetization tools. Plus, it supports multiple genres: horror, comedy, action, anime style, sci-fi, drama, and yes, you can create entire multi-episode series automatically. That's honestly the biggest selling point here. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Beginner-friendly, huge time saver, all-in-one dashboard, no monthly fees. Commercial license included, great for faceless YouTube channels and massive content creation potential. Cons. AI still isn't perfect. Some generations may need tweaking. Results depend on your prompts and not ideal if you expect Pixar-level perfection instantly. Results. What to expect? Well, if you actually use this consistently, you could launch faceless story channels, create viral shorts, sell cinematic promo videos, start freelancing, build AI content pages, and generate affiliate commissions. But let me be clear, this is not a magic money button. You still need consistency, creativity, and action. Now let's talk bonuses. If you get CINEPIX AI through my link, you'll unlock these bonuses. Bonus 1. 100 ready-made website prompts. Copy-paste prompts for high-converting websites in popular niches. Bonus 2. Freelance Quick Start Guide. Learn how to land your first paying client within 7 days, even if you're a beginner. And up to 5 bonuses. Total bonuses value $8,029. Yours free through my link below. So, is CINEPIX AI worth it? If you want to, create cinematic AI content, build faceless channels, start an AI business, or dominate the AI content trend early, then yes, this is definitely one of the more interesting AI launches I've seen recently. So if you want CINEPIX AI plus all my bonuses, check out the link in the description below right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.